In this video, we are going to discuss with principle of hierarchy over the scalar process. Hierarchy means the rule over control of the higher over the lower. It can be described as pyramidal or hierarchical setup of a part in which higher part control the lower parts. It is a concept for the arrangement of various units of our organization which have to be grouped at several levels in the form of pyramid board. The principle of hierarchy, which is also known as a scalar process, stands recognized as a fundamental principle of organization. Monet and Riley describe it as the eternal and universal principle of organization. Hierarchy stands for a ordered structure of inferior and superior being in an ascending scale. It establishes the superior subordinate relationship in the structure of the organization. Few quotes discuss with L.D. White. He said that hierarchy consists in the universal application of the superior subordinate relationship through the number of the levels of responsibility reaching the form of top to the bottom of the structure. Secondly, Marx said hierarchy means the grouping of unit into a large unit for the direction and control of activities. It is the method whereby the efforts of the many different individuals are graded skill wise. Also, few features discussed in hierarchical concept. Firstly, leadership. The apex authority gives direction to lower parts. Leaders provide direction and control over subordinate who follow the giving commands. Firstly, communication, and secondly, order. Firstly, we discuss top to bottom. Section officer, subordinate, head clerk, and clerk. Secondly, we discuss bottom to top, clerical, head clerk, superintendent, and section officer. It is the features of leadership. Second features, delegation of authority. The higher authority through command gives the power to the subordinate. Like example, secretary provides a power to assistant secretary. Third features in universal in nature. Hierarchy is the eternal and universal principle of the organization. It is found in the every organization. Fourth feature, fixed up responsibility. In hierarchy, the responsibility is fixed up with their clarity of leadership. Next, a pyramidal concept. Hierarchy is a pyramidal concept which includes set of the part in which the higher parts control the lower parts. Next, authority and responsibility is combined. In hierarchy, the authority which is the organized and responsibility are combined together. A channel of command. In the structure of hierarchy, there is a chief executive who gives order, and it is a channel through the system of hierarchy. For the reason LD Whites call its channel of command. Next, a check and balance system. In the structure of hierarchy, no one particular section or department is fully empowered to talk all the decisions. The final form of the decision passes through a member of section and after assume the final shape. Like example, American constitutional system. Next feature, unity and cooperation. There are two most important properties of hierarchy system along with their shall exist on mutual beliefs and faiths also. So we can also classify the hierarchy. In hierarchy, the entire administrative function is divided into units and subunits. So classification of hierarchy. Firstly, job task hierarchy. Secondly, hierarchy of rank. Thirdly, hierarchy of skill. And last, pay hierarchy. So we classified in these forms. System of hierarchy. We have seen system of hierarchy. Both factor influence in merits and demerits. So we discuss firstly merits of hierarchy. It is a clarity of leadership. It's enable the fixation of responsibility at each level, effective channel of communication. Hierarchy is decentralization and division of labor and also rule through the proper channels. Hierarchy also unity of command and proper disciplines. So few demerits we discuss in hierarchy. Firstly, delay in the disposal of works. Secondly, influence of red tapeism. Thirdly, source of rigidity of the organization. And lastly, top heavy system and wide gap between top executive and lower subordinates. So we finally conclude that the hierarchy is the term derived from the Greek form ruling body of the priest organized into rank. The word scalar is derived from the scale, which means ladder with several steps. In the hierarchy system, hierarchy stands for an ordered structure of inferior and superior beings is an ascending order. The good chief dwells at apex from which is a terrible eye. He can reach out the hearts of his lowest subordinate and move their deeds to his command. It is a built-in device to achieve a consume of realize the goals for which an organization is established. So we understand finally hierarchy is a top to bottom. It is a unity of also command. Hierarchy is the most important things of the all public administration.